There are not many individuals in the crypto local area who have not heard the name Satoshi Nakamoto to some extent in passing. The well-known unknown maker of Bitcoin in the world's greatest digital money have interested many individuals and motivated a ton of noticeable cryptographic money defenders. Bitcoin SV's motivation is to turn into a more mechanically progressed cryptographic money than the first Bitcoin, meanwhile staying consistent with the first thought behind the digital currency. It is a hard fork of Bitcoin money, BCH, which was forked itself from Bitcoin back in 2017. Being enthusiasts of the first Bitcoin convention, BSV makers and the local area, all object to the progressions made to the BTC blockchain, similar to the execution of SegWit or the Lightning organization. Bitcoin SV utilizes the evidence of work agreement calculation and can be dug for benefit, very much like the first Bitcoin. Excavators can pick the size of blocks they need to mine, with greater blocks, giving better yields, as they contain more exchanges and, thusly, more exchange expenses. Discussing exchanges, Bitcoin SV has a moderately high throughput, a normal of 200 exchanges each second, with the capacity to process up to 50,000 at top efficiency. Very much like most cryptographic forms of money, BSV additionally goes through many highs and lows close by the remainder of the market. It had a gigantic cost spike back in April 2021. When it arrived at its ongoing all-time high of $491, Bitcoin SV drew near to that level, by half a month after the fact in May 2021. At the end of the day, couldn't arrive at another greatest. Bitcoin SV's value figured out how to remain over the $100 cost mark until the end of 2021, yet kept on declining consistently over time. The coin at last tumbled down to the $90 level in late January 2022. The ongoing cost of Bitcoin SV is its base cost in the previous year. The last time the coin has been this low was in 2019, which is certainly not a decent sign. Numerous other digital forms of money are in decline right presently, yet have a typical cost higher than their base in the beyond 3 years. BSV is very open to the general patterns on the crypto market and appears to answer positive news and promotion very well. Its affiliation and close connections to Bitcoin permit it to get consideration during market blasts. Moreover, the quantity of new tokens, commercial centers, and NFTs on the Bitcoin SV blockchain has been expanding consistently in the beyond couple of months. This shows that while relatively few crypto lovers might consider Bitcoin SV a wise speculation, its usefulness and specialized establishment are still generally perceived in the business. Bitcoin SV Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Bitcoin SV costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Bitcoin SV will be $50. The greatest level that the BSV cost can reach is $59.86. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $51.92. Likely return for money invested, 60.5% by BSV value gauge for WAC 2023. In light of the value vacillations of Bitcoin SV toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical BSV pace of $40.58 in WAC 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $37.10 and at $41.74 individually. Likely return for money invested, 11.9% by April 2023. Bitcoin SV value conjecture. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the BSV cost in April 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $40.25, while the most extreme could reach $43.37 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Bitcoin SV may be around $41.80. Likely return for money invested, 16.3% by BSV value gauge for May 2023. Crypto experts have actually taken a look at the value changes of Bitcoin SV in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal BSV rate they foresee may be around $42.64 in May 2023. It can drop to $41.09 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $45.04. Possible return for money invested, 20.8% by June 2023. Bitcoin SV value gauge around mid-year 2023. The BSV cost will be exchanged at $43.49 by and large. June 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Bitcoin SV worth to $46.74. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $41.56 in June 2023. Possible return for money invested, 25.3% by BSV value figure for July 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Bitcoin SV costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to July 2023, $44.79. The most reduced and top BSV rates may be $42.86 and $48.48. Likely return for money invested, 30% by August 2023. Bitcoin SV value estimate. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the BSV cost will be around $46.14. In August 2023, the Bitcoin SV cost might drop to at least $44.20. The normal pinnacle worth may be $50.71 in August 2023. Likely return for capital invested, 36% by BSV value estimate for September 2023. Having broke down Bitcoin SV costs, digital money specialists expect that the BSV rate could arrive at a limit of $53.02 in September 2023. It may, nonetheless, drop to $45.98. For September 2023, the gauge normal of Bitcoin SV is almost $47.52. Likely return on initial capital investment, 42.1% by October 2023. Bitcoin SV value estimate. Around mid-2023, the Bitcoin SV cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $48.95. Crypto experts expect that in October 2023, the BSV cost could change somewhere in the range of $47.40 and $55.40. Likely return for capital invested, 48.5% by BSV value gauge for November 2023. Market specialists expect that in November 2023, the Bitcoin SV worth won't dip under at least $48.87. The greatest pinnacle expected for the current month is $57.84. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $50.41. Expected return for money invested, 55.1% by December 2023. Bitcoin SV value estimate. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly investigated the scope of BSV costs all through 2023. For December 2023, their figure is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Bitcoin SV will be around $59.86 with a chance of dropping to at least $50. In December 2023, the normal expense will be $51.92. Possible return for money invested, 60.5% by Bitcoin SV value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Bitcoin SV in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Bitcoin SV will be around $75.07. The greatest expected BSV cost might be around $86.40. By and large, the exchanging cost may